Stay comfortable year-round with this ductless mini-split air conditioner featuring 12,000 BTU cooling and heating capacity for spaces up to 550 square feet. This 4-in-1 system works as an air conditioner, heater, fan, and dehumidifier, with inverter technology, quiet operation, and energy-efficient performance. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Stay cool, stay smart. Experience seamless smart home integration with Alexa, Google Home voice control, or the DELLA app Wi-Fi to control your AC and heater from anywhere. The exclusive geolocation function optimizes comfort and energy efficiency, adjusting the temperature based on your location to save energy when you're away and ensure the perfect climate when you arrive home. Remote control also included for DELLA Mini Split AC and heating system. Number 2. Energy-efficient cooling and heating. DELLA 12,000 BTU per hour, higher 22 rating, certified 1-ton pre-charged heat pump AC unit, features inverter technology. The air conditioner changes the power supply frequency without frequently turning the compressor on and off, provides up to 57% power savings. This split unit is ultra-silent at only 22 decibels in mute mode. Number 3. Strong system. This mini-split AC equipped with 4D airflow, I Feel mode, 24-hour timer, sleep mode, eco-energy saving mode, multiple fan speeds, turbo function, heating, cooling, auto modes, and dry mode for dehumidifying. Suitable for rooms up to 550 square feet. Ideal AC for homes, bedrooms, living areas, offices, and commercial spaces such as stores, eateries, and warehouses. Besides, maintenance is simple and quick, requiring only seasonal cleaning of the reusable filters. Number 4. Leading technological frontiers. Pure Clean Tech prevents dust buildup and defrosts the indoor unit, keeps your air fresh and your home healthier. Equipped with the bottom heating element, the outdoor unit prevents ice buildup during winter operation. Energy Star certified mini split helps you save more. Apply for government rebates. DELLA is a 2025 Red Dot Design Award winner with 24/7 live chat and a lifetime warranty. Number 5. Installation kit included. The length for drain pipe is 78.7 inch. Line set vacuuming is required during installation. Any alteration of line set length requires adjusting freon levels. This system mandates professional installation. It's not a DIY mini split AC. Pre-loaded with R32 refrigerant for up to 25 feet. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you the most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.